Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can withdraw money from Tonkeeper to bank account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video and subscribe our channel. And yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Tonkeeper wallet right over here, and then make sure you're signed in. Go to this option of send. What you're going to do is you're going to send your Ton to a third party, for example Binance. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and add in the address of your Binance account, and once you have done that, you're going to go ahead and add in the 10 and tap on comment if you want to add one, or tap on continue, so you can directly go ahead and do the transaction to Binance. And in the Binance you can go ahead and sell it to convert it to the money, and you can directly get it transferred to your bank account. Right, next thing is go to the section of buy done, go to the section of sale, and here you will find this option of Mercurio and Avon change. This will, as you can see, is sale with a withdrawal to a credit card and sale Ton to bank card instantly. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose which one you want. If you want in bank card, tap on Avon change and go ahead, do the selling, add your tons in the selling market. Once it's been sold, the payment will be submitted to your bank card. Make sure in the payment method section add your bank card's information. That's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.